Okay, I will start my story from the piece of ceiling that happened to fall down in the middle of the night in my bathroom. So I had to invite some people to fix it, and those people were really nice. They made a quality job and a good price. And what else? They asked me if I can recommend their job to my friends. You are my friends in the internet, so please. The telephone is in the heading of this clip, and you can make a phone call and check if they are going to do the same thing for you. They can do painting and plastering, and they are not young people, they are solid men and have a good character.